Good day, mate. Welcome to Australia. We are looking at the largest barrier reef in the world, the Great Barrier Reef. So what exactly is this barrier reef, you ask? A barrier reef is a coral reef system. Each coral reef is made by millions of tiny living organisms in the ocean. There are tiny living creatures called coral larvae. They swim in the ocean and attach themselves to rock or other hard surfaces in the water. As more and more coral is formed, other fish find their home in the coral, and more plants and animals begin to live in the reef to form a large underwater ecosystem. All the coral reefs put together make up the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. It's enormous. It's so huge that it's the only living thing that you can see from space. The reef has the world's largest collection of corals, with over 400 species. It's also home to dolphins, coral sponges, mollusks, rays, 1,500 types of fish, 200 types of birds, and it also has sea turtles and giant clams that are over 120 years old. The reef is also a breeding area for the humpback whale. These humpback whales live near Antarctica. They swim up the warm waters near Australia to give birth to their babies. The reef is also home to many endangered species, which led to UNESCO making it a World Heritage Site in 1981. Even though the coral reef looks really beautiful from where we're standing, looks can be deceiving. The reef has lost more than half its coral to pollution. Many parts of the coral reef are now dead. This actually happened recently, only in 1998. The major reason for why all these fish are leaving is because of climate change. All the pollution causes global warming, and this global warming causes the temperature of the oceans to go up. Aquatic plants and animals are very sensitive to temperature. Even though the temperature only went up by a few degrees, this has caused mass coral bleaching. Coral bleaching is when the coral loses its color and turns white because it's dead. A lot of fish couldn't live in the high temperature and left the coral reef to live somewhere else. The world is filled with many beautiful things. Nature is beautiful, and we shouldn't destroy the homes of other plants and animals. There are many ways that we can reduce pollution. One of the ways is walking instead of going to places by car to reduce pollution. We should try our best to save our planet.